Hey guys, are you looking Biolomix blender? In this video I will show you top 5 best Biolomix blender to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Brand name, Biolomix, model number, H5300. The Peak 2200 watt professional blender can crush both soft and hard ingredients in few seconds, release their nutrient and vitamin more efficiently, and make really consistent smoothies with an emulsified texture that's easy to digest. The motor, based with an easily variable speed control and 4 pre-programmed settings and 4 timer setting, can help to achieve versatile blending features such as emulsify cream, blend frozen treats and baby food, grind nuts and coffee, chop salad and dips, heat soup, crush ice, mix batter for pancakes, waffles, cookies, muffins, crepes and cakes. Unbreakable FDA certified 1.75 lit tray, high quality thick and transparent jar, BPA free with rubber comfort grip handle. Hardened Japan stainless steel 8-wave action blades allows for greater product versatility. The BPA free plastic jar is convenient, lightweight and hard enough, perfect for making large batches of creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family. This super blender serves up large batches of smoothies, ice cream, nut, soup, ice crush, sauces and more. Motor overload reset switch and automatic overheat or thermo protector. 1 to 5 minutes timer function with automatic shutoff. Large capacity, perfect for family-sized amounts. Durable motor built for many years of use, can speed up to 28,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute. Easily crushes ice and blends the toughest of ingredients into ultra-smooth smoothies. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel with an 8-blade system configuration that chops, pulverizes and liquefies everything it touches. Number 4. Brand name, Biolomix, model number, A8700. The Peak 2200 watt commercial grade motor with hardened 6 stainless steel can easily break ice cubes and frozen fruits. It makes the large ice cube to small slush. Benefit from the whole food by thoroughly pulverizing the ice cubes, frozen fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts and much more. Variable speeds allow you to handle variety of ingredients. Use the 6-speed control knob to go between low and high speeds even while mid-blend. Tap or hold down the switch to pulse foods like ice cubes, chunky salads, nuts, grains. The 2-lit tray food safety plastic jar is convenient, lightweight, which is free from the potentially harmful bisphenol A and is also extremely durable and hard-wearing. The jar is also conically shaped, which helps food to be drawn down into the blades more effectively, creating a smoother and finer result. Non-slip base and noise reduction rubber cushion makes it much quieter than those in the market. Number 3. Brand name, Biolomix, model number, T5600. 2200 watts of professional performance power. The professional countertop blender can easily crush and blend an array of ingredients, supporting your healthy lifestyle and fit your daily nutritional needs in a simple, easy way. 6 preset Auto IQ programs allow you to create juice, ice crush, smoothies, sauce, grind, hot soups. 9 variable speeds can handle fresh or frozen fruits, vegetables with ease. Easily adjust speed to achieve a variety of textures. The jar and the lid are all made from food-grade BPA-free material, safe and healthy. Great for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family as well for commercial use. Easy to grind any hard, dry ingredients into fine powder with powerful motor and tough blades. You need setting the pulse mode and run for 5 to 10 seconds with some drops off dish soap and water. You will get the container like a new blender. Number 2. Brand name, Biolomix, model number, G5200. The motor's equipped with an automatic overheat or thermo protector and motor overload reset switch at bottom of the motor base. Hardened Japan stainless steel 6-wave action blades. Maximum 2200 watt peak power from the self-compensation industrial grade motor for high efficiency result. Unbreakable, FDA certified, BPA free transparent 2-lit tray high quality jar. Makes multiple drinks such as milkshakes, green smoothies, hot soup, sauces, raw food diet, ice cream, fresh juice, dry grinding and much more. Compatible with the 900 ml small dry jar extension. Overheating and overload dual safety protection. Dual high-quality ball bearings and durable seal. Easy cleaning and low noise operation. Number 1. Brand name, Biolomix, model number, T5200, high speed and high efficiency 2200 watt powerful motor. 1 to 5 minutes timer function with automatic shut-off. Hardened Japan stainless steel 6-wave action blades for greater product versatility. The motor's equipped with an automatic overheat or thermo protector. Make different drinks such as milkshakes, green smoothies, dry grinding, hot soup, sauces, raw food diet, ice cream, fresh juice, and much more. Wet and dry application. Compatible with the 500 ml and the 900 ml dry jar extension. You can buy it here with the 500 ml dry jar extension. Luxury stylish titanium gray spray painting base. Variable speed with pulse function. Unbreakable, FDA certified, thickened and transparent 2-lit tray high quality jar, BPA free with comfortable rubber grip handle and a plastic lid. Quickly release the valuable nutrients in an easy to digest form. Easily clean the blender by self-cleaning function after every use. Vortex action blending for perfect smooth result. Pulse feature instantly maximum speed to refresh the food when get stuck. 6 stainless steel cutting blades.